Hey everyone, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the copying or following another YouTuber's tutorial. So today I'm going to be copying Nicole Cutler's tutorial for her rose gold, like liquid rose gold look, which when I saw that picture on Instagram, I was obsessed. Then she posted the tutorial and I was like, okay, when I can film next, I'm doing this, and I'm doing it later than I would have liked, but you know, better late than never. I've watched hundreds of these videos and I'm obsessed with every single one of them. And if you've seen my videos before, you know that Nicole is actually like my favorite beauty vlogger. I love every single one of her videos and everything, and there's so many looks I could recreate, but this one just really speaks to me, so I have to do it. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch her video and follow on. I actually do this a lot with tutorials. If I want to do like a certain eye look, I follow like a tutorial. I love finding eye looks through that, but also it's a great way to discover like new products. And yeah, let's just get right into it because I'm way too excited. And I'll put the video like right here or right here, somewhere here around.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for y'all, and I'm creating this liquid rose gold look. That is literally what I'm calling this, because that's exactly what it looks like, especially in the sunlight. It looks like someone has dropped liquid rose gold all over your eyelids. It's absolutely beautiful, and this look is so easy to do as well. It takes about 10 minutes, believe it or not. So today I'm going to walk you guys through how to do that look. I really love it, and I actually posted a photo of it on Instagram, and so many of you guys were asking for a tutorial, so here we are. So yeah, I just want to go ahead and get going, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe, and let's just go ahead and get going. Okay, so my eyelids are already primed and set and ready to go, so we're gonna start off. Okay, so I'm gonna prime and set my eyelids. So I'm just gonna prime with my Lorac behind the scenes eyeshadow primer on my eyelid, and then taking the Carli Bybel Deluxe palette, which is the palette that they're following the tutorial with. So I'm just gonna take that cream shade and set my lid. I love this shade, Clearly Hit Pan, and this palette is amazing. So I'm just gonna quickly set everything. Now continue. With the Carli Bybel palette, you guys know I love this. I've talked about it so many times on my channel, but I'm gonna start off with this color right here. Okay, so we're taking this color right here, and I believe we're just putting this in the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Morphe M441. I actually got this the other day, and it looks similar to the brush she used. So yes, we're gonna take this shade, and we're just gonna apply this to our crease. In your collection, Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette you could use, Tarte Clay Play palette, anything along the lines of that. It's so basic, which is why I didn't film it, but I think that's also why so many of you guys liked it. So taking that color and putting it a little lower. Okay, so then next I'm taking this color right here. It is like a Hershey bar chocolate color. It is like a neutral brown, not necessarily super warm or super cool tone. And I'm using some BH Cosmetics brush. It literally rubbed off because I've had it for like 3 years. And I'm taking my very old Sigma E45 brush. Same, old brush. So basically all I'm going to do is just apply this right into the crease all the way from outer corner to about, I'm stopping like right before the inner corner. I'd say 3/4 of the crease, and it's so tapered that it fits right into my eye socket and my crease. So I'm just gonna build this up. As you guys know, I do like my smoky eyes, and I don't always, but I'll try. So I'm going in a few times just to really build up the shadow and make it really nice and pigmented. Okay, I love how that looks. Okay, so once I have that built up to my liking, I'm going to take the dark brown in the palette. This is actually a little bit more of a cooler toned brown, so I'm taking it on the same exact brush, and I'm focusing this on the outer half of that crease. So I don't know how much of this I'm going to do because I don't like super smoky looks, but I'm doing it for the look. So once I have that, I'm just going back in with that original blending brush and just blending. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend all that. Okay, so once you have that to your desired smokiness, next I'm going to take this bronze color right here. This is one of my favorite colors in the palette.
Surprisingly, I've never used this shade, and I believe we're just applying this to the lid. Gonna use another old brush, which is the BH Cosmetics brush, one of them. This is like a small shader brush, so like right there.
Dragging it towards the outer corner for a faded blend. This is the Pure Pigment pigment of the eyeshadow. It's pretty metallic on its own. I mean, I think so.
Oh yes, because like in my mirror it doesn't look that pigmented, but now it's looking pretty pigmented. We have the center of the eyelid. Okay, so now we're taking these two shades.
So this one is an eyeshadow and then this one is a highlighter. So I'm just taking this color.
And then I'm going to take a smaller brush for these, and I believe we're going in the inner corner for this.
But I'm just skipping like the concealer part because I just feel like it doesn't need to be like as... further, and I'm going to take probably like the star of the show and the reason why so many of you guys liked it on Instagram, the Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in shade Kitten Karma. This is like a peachy golden rose gold shade. It looks stunning, absolutely stunning on the eyes. What I did is I just took it and applied it right towards the inner corner, and I just lightly stamped it on, and I just went all the way up to the crease. And then once I got out here, I did take it like right about there. I still want that bronzy color to show a little bit, so I just took my finger and just kind of stamped it.
So just stamping it with my finger. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, I definitely think this eye is my better eye, but now we're gonna go on to the face.
Okay, so just to finish off the top lid, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of my Kokie Velvet Smooth eyeliner to my tight line. I hate doing that on camera, so I'm not going to do it. The Kokie Volume and Length Mascara, and then not so basic Bold Face Makeup lashes.
I'm going to do the same thing so I can get the same type of look. I don't wear lashes though, so I'm just going to put on a good amount of mascara. And then I think she also already did her brows, so I'm going to do that off camera as well. Just going to use my Essence Make Me Brow and Brownie Brows. And then I think I might layer mascaras, so I think what I'm going to do is curl my lashes and then use my It Cosmetics Hello Lashes, and then also use my Clinique Lash Power Flutter to full mascara. I'm going to do all of this off camera and then I will be right back. Okay, so I realized that I don't like doing mascara before my face makeup. I'll do it like after I finish like my foundation and stuff like that.
We are going to be taking the Wet n Wild Dewy Primer.
I love this primer. It is amazing.
Not using any other primer other than this. I'm truly obsessed, and I've already bought 2 backups just in case.
I need to.
Because I'm just so obsessed with it. It's so good. Like, I haven't been reaching for any of my high-end primers. The only other primer I've been using like in conjunction with this sometimes is the Blur Stick by Milk. Okay, so for foundation, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation.
I don't have this foundation, so I'm just going to take my current favorite foundation. So I'm going to take the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation, which has been my new favorite. So yeah, I'm using my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation. If I don't have a first impression up right now, I will have one up very soon. I did do a first impression on this. I'm going to use a sponge for my foundation. She is using a brush, but I like to use sponges just because I find it just applies my makeup better. Just dotting it on my face like so, and then we're gonna blend it. I love this foundation. Okay, so I do not have that, but I do have, but the closest thing I have to it is this sample of Do the Hoola from Benefits. Probably a little bit warmer, but we're gonna use it anyways. We'll do it like for bronze. So just gonna take my sponge and blend that out. Not sure how I feel about it, but it's gonna add more color to my face.
I'm taking the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer.
I have the Tarte Shape Tape, but I think I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photofocus today because in my opinion it's pretty close to that one. It's lightweight kind of thing. So I'm just gonna put this on everywhere I want to highlight. How many dots is that? 5 dots. Okay, so I think she's powdering her face now. just going to take my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact. I'm just going to apply this wherever I'm going to put powders, and just going to use my sponge, just mostly under my eyes. Okay, and now before I go to the rest of my face, I'm just going to apply the mascaras I told you about earlier. Okay, so I'm rewinding the video a little bit, and we're going to do the inner corner highlight now.
Okay, so then for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this color and then this color, highlight and eyeshadow.
Okay, now we're going to fast forward.
This is the e.l.f. liquid highlighter. It's the one that Lusterlax Katie here on YouTube always talks about.
Okay, so I don't have that. I have things that are similar to it, so I'm going to figure out what I'm going to use. And then this one's like a cream. I think this one will work. Okay, so I'm just going to go like this. Yeah, so I think this one looks pink, but it'll be fine once we set it. So just going to go there, 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 and then blend it.
These, I love these. The Take Home the Bronze bronzers from the Balm Cosmetics. Obsessed with these. I have not stopped using them.
I wish I had those. So for a bronze, I'm going to take the Tarte Parkave Princess Bronzer and just apply that around. And then for contour, I'll use something different.
Welcome back here. Time allows.
And then for contour, I'm just going to take this shade.
Say my name in your phone, I'll be fine.
I'm taking this, let me take Rosé Champagne.
Okay, so Rosé Champagne is very similar to Tarte. So Tarte Parkave is like literally the same exact blush, just more expensive.
I get back again.
Okay, so dipping back into the Carli Bybel palette, I'm going to take this color, highlight my face with, and then to give me a little bit more glow. I kept it super simple. I went in with that dark brown color, just on a little pencil brush.
You're burning out.
Okay, so we're just gonna take the transition and then that color.
And I'm just going to buff this all across the lower lash line, and I'm really not dragging it down all that much.
And I'll be back again. Let me.
Okay, so then for lips, I'm taking this Urban Decay Naked Cream Vice lipstick.
Okay, so the lipstick I have that's similar to that is from Tarte. This is very similar.
So this is it, guys. This is the final look. Super easy. I think it's beautiful for spring and summer. Very neutral.
Okay, so this is my finished look, and this is my, I guess, attempt at this. For my first time, like, trying out this tutorial, I think I did a pretty good job. This eye did not want to cooperate with anything. Mascara looks weird, I think, in my opinion. But yeah, this is the finished look, and this just really proves that you don't need to have the same makeup as somebody or anything like that to create the same look. I had some of the products she had, but I didn't have all the same products. But you can create the same look of anything without having to have all of the same products. I love this look. I'm obsessed with it, and it's definitely one I'm gonna recreate a lot more. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other looks that I should do, like any more tutorial following looks I should do. Definitely let me know that down below, and just let me know any videos you'd like to see next down below. And please subscribe if you haven't already, because I post videos every single Friday and sometimes bonus days. It kind of depends. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And yeah, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.